How to buy Bitcoin on Coinomi, purchase Bitcoin on Coinomi wallet. If you want to buy or purchase Bitcoin on Coinomi wallet, it is very simple to do that. All you have to do is first of all launch the Coinomi wallet app, and this is the type of interface you will see. First, make sure that you tap the plus icon and add the crypto or the coins that you want to your home page over here. Once you've done that, select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So in this case, if I want to buy Bitcoin, I'll just tap the buy button. Now right here you can see it says buy Bitcoin with credit card option. So just tap on the buy Bitcoin with credit card button over there. As and when you've done that, you can simply enter the amount of money that you're willing to spend over there. And once you enter the amount of money that you're willing to spend, you will see the amount of Bitcoin that you will get for that amount of money. So you can change the currency first of all right over here. So let me go ahead and do that, and you'll see the amount of crypto that you're about to get in this case. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is right here you can see pay using credit card. So this is the recommended one. You can also pay using debit card or Google Pay or Neteller or Skrill. So once you've done that, tap on the buy option. It will connect me to a third-party payment provider where I'll be redirected to the website where I can enter some of my payment information, and once I've approved some of my payment information and confirmed the transaction, I'll have successfully bought Bitcoin on Coinomi. This way you'll be able to buy or purchase Bitcoin on Coinomi. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.